will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Gardenscapes app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps. So then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Gardenscapes app, or just click here on search. So you just click here on search here. So then here can you add Gardenscapes app. It's going to show for you here Gardenscapes. Just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on force stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.